Say hello to the all-new 2018 Toyota Camry. Since its introduction 35 years ago, Camry has been a key player in the global auto market. It's also been America's best-selling car for the past 15 consecutive years. Now, with the introduction of this 8th generation model, Camry is about to kick up the excitement even further. Let's have a closer look. At its core, this new Camry is a full TNGA vehicle. That's Toyota New Global Architecture. This means that it's built on a versatile new platform that's designed to be stronger and more dynamic than ever before, making this the most fun to drive Camry to date. One look at this new sedan though, and it's clear that the changes are more than just under the surface. In fact, for a mid-sized sedan, the new Camry's looks are downright wild. Now more than ever, the Camry lineup is divided along two main paths, the L models and the S models, creating a visual distinction that's designed to be immediately evident even from a distance. The L models, which include L, LE, XLE, and XLE V6, portray a powerful elegance, while the show-stopping design of the sporty S models, SE, XSE, and XSE V6 allows you to arrive with authority. In addition, a handful of Camry hybrid models rounds out the Camry family. These include the LE Hybrid and XLE Hybrid, as well as the sporty SE Hybrid. All told, the 2018 Camry lineup consists of 10 vehicles, and despite sharing some important new standard features like Toyota Safety Sense P, they all have their own personality and appearance. The front bumper and grille design varies from trim to trim, as do other exterior details like the headlights, wheels, and even the number of exhaust outlets. For example, Camry SE is equipped with 18-inch wheels and a dual-tipped single exhaust, while XSE features 19-inch wheels and quad-tipped dual exhaust. SE and XSE models also get a few unique sporty touches, like a rear spoiler, and in the case of the XSE, an available two-tone paint scheme. Additionally, XLE and XSE models are available with a panoramic moonroof. Trim differences aside though, the new Camry's aggressive exterior features a strong character line from hood to rear, as well as a noticeably wider stance. So these looks sure are impressive, but is the new Camry all show and no go? Not even close. In fact, in addition to the TNGA platform's low center of gravity offering engaging and dynamic driving manners, the new model boasts the most powerful engines ever seen in a Camry, both 4-cylinder and V6. These engines are paired to an all-new direct-shift 8-speed automatic transmission designed to keep the new Camry running at an ideal balance of power and efficiency. In fact, on SE and XSE models, this transmission even offers paddle shifters mounted behind the steering wheel for maximum driver control and performance. All told, these new drivetrains help Camry deliver more power and fuel economy than ever before. But to get even more from these new drivetrains, an available drive mode selector enables drivers to switch between normal, sport, and eco drive settings. When it comes to pure efficiency though, let's not forget about the hybrid models. These models feature a new hybrid drivetrain designed for incredible fuel economy without sacrificing performance, and it's safe to say that goal was achieved. The performance doesn't end under the hood, however, with the new Camry ensuring impressive stopping and handling thanks to its large disc brakes and its fully independent suspension, which is sport-tuned on SE and XSE models. And stepping inside, the excitement continues. Camry's new interior not only offers a striking design with eye-catching new trim options, but also a ton of great features and technologies. The 2018 Camry is the first Toyota vehicle to offer the all-new Entune 3.0 multimedia system that brings great advances to vehicle connectivity and entertainment. It includes features like available remote engine start right on your smartphone. Entune 3.0 can also be equipped with a premium 9-speaker, 800-watt JBL audio system with Clarify technology, which rebuilds audio signal compression for optimal sound quality. This multimedia system includes a standard backup camera, but can also be equipped with an all-new bird's-eye view camera system integrated right into the touchscreen display. Select models also offer a new high-resolution 7-inch multi-information display that's packed with useful information and settings, as well as even an available head-up display. Needless to say though, the 2018 Camry's interior isn't all tech. there's a good deal of comfort and convenience as well, including comfortable and highly adjustable front seats on all grades, as well as soft-tex trimmed sports seating on SE grades and leather trimmed seating on XLE and XSE grades. The 2018 Camry also offers useful convenience features like HomeLink, Qi wireless mobile device charging, and the all-new electronic parking brake with brake hold system. This new convenience feature is designed to hold the brakes for you when you're at a complete stop, like at a stoplight or in traffic, without having to keep your foot on the brake pedal. Naturally, it also has all the usual details you've come to expect from a modern vehicle, as well as ample passenger and cargo capacities, especially when the 60/40 split rear seat is folded down. It should go without saying that this emphasis on technology extends to the 2018 Camry's safety features as well, and that goes beyond its impressive array of 10 airbags. For 2018, all Camry models are outfitted with standard Toyota Safety Sense P, a suite of advanced active safety technologies, as well as available blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert and the new intelligent clearance sonar with rear cross traffic braking system on XLE and XSE models. This new feature is designed to provide automatic braking if crossing traffic is detected while reversing out of a driveway or parking spot. And finally, like nearly all Toyotas, the Star safety system comes standard. So, as you can see, this new Camry is filled to the brim with great features and impressive specs, way more than we could possibly fit in this video. So be sure to head over to toyota.com/Camry to learn more about this stunning all-new sedan.